Well, TGIF, everyone, lots of sunshine on this Friday afternoon. And yes, we have some pleasant weather building into the area as well. 84 degrees at the airport, but look at that northwesterly wind. That's ushering in some lower humidity. Check out the dew point, now down into the lower 50s. Area-wide, we have some very comfortable temperatures for any outdoor plans you have this evening. Look at this, low to mid 80s. That's pretty much it. And most of us are in the low 80s. As you head off towards the Highway 20 corridor, we have temperatures that are in the 70s. But here's the big story. This really tells you what you can expect going into the future. The dew points, the measure of how much moisture is in the air. As you can see, we have dew points that are well down into the 50s. And whenever I show this, when I tell you dew points get in the 50s, that's when it's quite nice. And here's why. That big area of high pressure, it continues to build in from Canada as it crosses the border there, bringing us that northerly flow. That's what's going to give us the pleasant temperatures and the low humidity, not just for the rest of today and tonight. We're talking going right into our Saturday as well. So if you have any weekend plans, that's going to be good. But for tonight, folks, I've got to give you the sleeping forecast because we're looking at open the windows type of air. That means shut down the AC, turn off the ceiling fans, open those windows up because that nice, comfortable, refreshing air mass will feel quite nice as we drop into the 50s. It'll be nothing but smiles as you sleep very comfortably throughout the evening. Here's a look at the surface map. There's the high pressure continuing to make its way south with that northerly flow. We're on the right side of high pressure. That gives us the pleasant weather. On the left side, that's where the heat and humidity builds. Also, we're keeping an eye on this storm system that's beginning to get a little better organized off the western half of the country. This storm system I'm keeping a close eye on because it's going to come at us in a couple of pieces. But the first piece, not so much fanfare. The second piece could give us potentially some widespread beneficial rain area-wide, and that's what we're going to be keeping a close eye on. So check out these rain chances. Again, for your weekend plans, I pretty much expect most of us to stay dry on your Saturday. Just a 20% chance of an isolated shower or two passing through during the day on Sunday, but those rain chances jump up to a 50% as we get into your Monday into early Tuesday. High pressure again going into tonight into tomorrow morning. No weather issues expected. Notice as we go throughout your Saturday afternoon, most of us are dry, but there will be a disturbance that will try to pass just off to our north. We could see an isolated shower up towards Galena and over towards Savannah and that area, but for the most part, I think we're going to be dry. Now, Saturday night into early Sunday, can't rule out a couple of spotty showers passing on through the area, but here comes the big storm system, that main piece of energy. Yeah, it rolls in Monday morning just off to our west. Look what happens as we go throughout your Monday, the potential of widespread rainfall moving in. And I know the farmers and really everyone who has a yard that they look at every day are excited to hear this. And look at this, some pockets of heavy rainfall could be showing up with that as well. And that'll last into early Tuesday before all of this kind of clears on out of here. As far as rainfall totals, through the weekend, again, you may see up to 1/10 of an inch if you see an isolated shower, but most of us will remain dry. But check this out, Monday into Tuesday, yeah, now this is just one model, but it is indicating the potential of some very beneficial rain. So fingers crossed, because an inch of rain would be wonderful for us as we go throughout this weekend. 58 degrees for us tonight, mostly clear skies, comfortable conditions. Open those windows up as you go into your Saturday. Lots of sunshine, pleasant conditions overall with temperatures in the mid 80s. But again, with the humidity, it won't feel too bad. Here comes the beneficial rain as we get into your Monday. Circle that on your calendar. As we get towards Monday night into Tuesday, we'll clear the rain out of here. Some pleasant weather for Wednesday and Thursday before the heat and the humidity begins to return as we head towards next weekend.